Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guide. Deer hunting with a compound bow is an exhilarating and challenging experience that requires precision, accuracy, and reliable equipment. Choosing the right compound bow can significantly impact your success in the field and enhance your overall hunting experience. With a wide array of options available in the market, finding the best compound bow for deer hunting can be overwhelming. In this guide, we will explore some of the top performing compound bows specifically designed for deer hunting. 5 AllPro Compound Bow Kit 0 to 70 pounds. The AllPro Compound Bow is an affordable and versatile option for both beginners and experienced archers. It comes with a draw weight of 45 pounds and a draw range of 28 inches, which can be easily adjusted with the included Allen wrenches. The bow is fully strung and assembled, and you only need to set up the arrow rest, sight, and quiver. Manufactured in China by Zhongxing Archery, the AllPro resembles the Matthews Mission Craze. Despite being made overseas, it doesn't compromise on quality. However, some accessories may not be of top-notch quality. 4 Sandlin Archery Dragon X8 RTH. The Sandlin Archery Dragon X8 RTH compound bow package is a versatile and high-quality archery solution suitable for beginners and experienced archers alike. It offers a wide range of adjustable draw lengths from 18 to 31 inches and draw weights from 0 to 70 pounds, making it suitable for users of all ages and skill levels. The bow features a robust design with CNC machined cams and modules made from durable 6061 T6 aluminum. The bowstring and cables are made from reliable BCYX material, ensuring longevity and reliability. 3 Raptor Compound Bow. The Predator Archery Raptor Compound Bow is a highly versatile and accurate bow that has gained popularity among both beginner and pro archers. It offers exceptional value for money, delivering solid and durable performance. The bow features CNC machined aluminum cams and fiberglass limbs made in the USA. It is available in black and G3 camo finishes. The Raptor bow is designed to fit a wide range of body sizes, making it suitable for young archers and women. It is fully customizable in terms of draw length, 24.5 to 31 inches, and draw weight, 30 to 70 pounds, without requiring a bow press. 2 Bear Archery Legit Ready. The Bear Archery Legit RTH is a highly adjustable bow package that offers excellent value for money at a price of $449.99. It provides a comfortable grip and is easy to adjust without requiring a bow press. The Legit features a wide range of adjustability and draw length, 14 to 30 inches, and draw weight, 10 to 70 pounds, making it suitable for almost any archer. The Legit RTH package comes with a peep sight, but some adjustments may be necessary to ensure it stays in place securely. Bow mechanics should carefully set up the bow for customers, check all screws and bolts for tightness, and verify cam synchronization and D-loop positioning. 1 Southland Archery Supply SAS. The Southland Archery Supply, SAS, Destroyer Compound Bow is a powerful and budget-friendly bow suitable for hunting, 3D, and target shooting. It features a draw length range of 19 to 30 inches, a draw weight range of 19 to 70 pounds, and shoots at a maximum speed of 320 fps. The bow has an 80% let-off and a brace height of 7 inches, weighing 3.85 pounds. The Destroyer is designed for right-handed archers and comes with durable and lightweight split limbs made of ABS material. After careful consideration and analysis of various factors, it can be concluded that the best compound bow for deer hunting is one that aligns with the hunter's specific needs and preferences. Different hunters may have varying skill levels, body sizes, shooting styles, and budget constraints, which can impact their choice of the ideal compound bow. To find the best compound bow for deer hunting, it is essential to consider key factors such as draw weight, draw length, axle to axle length, let-off, and overall weight.